What happened? Why, Maya?
Maya's back! Heading to bed! But if we'll go home quickly! Quickly!
No kidding.
What's wrong? Why are you in such a hurry? Where are you going?
My child, Max. He's died.
Huh? What do you mean? Maya?
Yes, Max. I'm going. Assalamualaikum. Where is Maya? Huh?
Maya! Maya died!
Where is Maya, honey?
Nasa gitna. Maya was taken to Ross Health Hospital. Did you check nasa gitna?
Han!
Stop! You're chill. I'm also concerned, but the doctor said he probably was kidnapped before he was killed.
Huh? Kidnapped?
Yes, the case is a bit complicated to find out who the perpetrator is.
You are the one who is in charge of my child case. I want me to the one to sort this case out until everything is uncovered. Of course.
Leaving to you. What can I do with my siblings?
Thanks.
Oh yes, this is the item you want all your child daughters. Maybe it can help.
Thanks, Han.
Okay, I'll go first.
Okay. Wait for the cast to operate, okay? Who's this late at night?
What's wrong, darling?
Nothing, darling. They're just scared.
Okay. Red dress, I think. Maybe you're tired, darling.
Let's go.
What's wrong?
Assalamualaikum, ya Raditya.
Sir? What's wrong, sir?
Hey, why is that?
Huh? Don't joke, sir. It's not funny, you know?
Yes, I'm serious. I come here to see my children. Maybe there's something that can help me to find perpetrator to kill my child.
Huh? Kill? No way. A week ago, Maya said she wanted to go home because she missed her mother.
Huh? Did Maya say something else?
No, sir. Oh, yes. Maya left me in the keyboarding house. I'll take for it a moment.
Okay.
Sir?
Okay, I take course, okay?
Yes, sir.
Does Maya have a story of illness?
Huh? No. My child doesn't have any disease.
What's wrong, sir?
I don't know. My child has been seriously ill all the time.
It's better now that we finish all this, so that Maya can calm down there.
Hey, El.
Oh yes, sir. A week ago when Maya said goodbye to me, she was with her friend Anna. I got mistake.
Huh? Anna with Maya last week? Okay. Thank you, El.
Of course, sir.
Hello, Anna. Can we meet? Can you come home tomorrow? I want to talk with you. Okay.
How is it, sir?
Maybe today is enough. Let me handle this. I did not repeat you because I afraid Anna won't try to talk the question.
Okay, sir. I say goodbye.
Hey, Anna, Auntie. What's wrong, Auntie? Maya, Anna. Maya.
Eh? Anna has gone. Come here. Uncle want to talk to you.
Let Uncle explain it to you, honey.
Anna, did you know Maya's died?
Huh? What do you mean, Uncle? Don't be kidding, Uncle. No, Uncle, I think Maya hasn't had any new for past 3 days. Maybe she's having fun with Uncle and Auntie. Maya should miss Uncle and Auntie. Don't joke, Uncle.
But in fact, Maya didn't come home. He kidnapped and killed.
Auntie, no. You've lost, but I've lost more, honey.
Anna, did you meet Maya a week ago?
Yes, Uncle. I walked Maya to the bus stop. I also offered Maya accompany her to a cancer consultation, but she said she'll do it herself. Huh? Maya? Cancer?
You know Maya's cancer. Why you don't tell us?
Sorry, Auntie, Uncle. Maya said she didn't want to worry Uncle and Auntie, so I didn't say it.
Okay, Anna, you should just go to home. Don't be sad. Maya will be sad too. Alfie, I am trusting my wife. Take good care, okay?
Of course, Mr. Dutta, I hope the same soon.
Okay, you first.
Hey, come in.
Excuse me, doctor. You know patient named Maya?
Of course, it is my patient, my friend.
My college and I want to ask something. Is that okay, doc?
Of course, as long as not the patient privacy.
Wait, doc. How long has it been, doc? This patient with Maya has cancer.
It's been for more.
Is it true? This patient come here, we go for a checkup.
Yes, that's right. The patient come here to check his condition.
Did patient come here alone?
I don't think so. I saw at the door. There was someone waiting for a patient.
Does doctor still remember person characteristic?
I don't remember clearly, but I do remember is that the person was wearing a black jacket with big hole.
Can I see the CCTV footage though?
Considerably a week ago, all the CCTV and the hospital is being repaired.
Okay then. Thank you, doc, for your cooperation.
Sure, but what's wrong with my patient?
She died 6 days ago.
Really?
Okay, Doc. I'll say goodbye, Doc.
Hopefully everything goes smoothly.
Mr. Dita, there is a possibility that Dr. Sabrina is the virtual kidnapper.
It's called be that the kidnapper followed Maya. After that, he kidnapped Maya for 1 week.
I don't think I read under the package. But there's no clue. Who is it?
I'm home.
Darling?
What's this, Fahri? Okay, let me take it. Who sent this? This is from Maya. I miss you, Maya. I want to call Lara. Hello, Lara. I have a new clue. Tomorrow, we will investigate together. Okay. You want to play with me? Wait, I found you.
What clue did you find, sir?
Oh yes, yesterday my wife got a delivery. It turned out virtual cell phone.
Huh? Virtual cell phone, sir?
Yes. I also suspect who sent it, that it who's killed my child.
How is it, sir?
He said he called that do it today. I feel strange. He almost supposed to call.
I also feel sad, sir. Sir, isn't that one friend your daughter in the photo?
I think so. Let's try.
Are you my friend? Sorry.
Who are you? Maya, you said? There is no Maya anymore in the world. That is true. I don't fucking care about her anymore.
That's enough, sir. I'm embarrassed to be seen by people. Let me to the town. Ethan, can we talk tonight?
Okay? It's not bad. When we shall we meet?
How about at Cafe Narbele? You know?
Yes. Of course, I know. So what you want to talk about? Why? Who are you? I don't know you before, and why you know Maya?
I'm her sister.
So what you wanna ask?
You know my dad?
It turned out she didn't like.
What do you mean?
Well, it's no wonder to me. So she's shocked tonight.
So you know my dad?
What do you keep asking? I don't know. Why Maya died? Don't tell me. You're blaming me because she died.
What is your relationship with Maya?
Uh, my boyfriend before she died.
Boyfriend? Wait, when did you contact Maya last time?
Maybe a week ago when I asked to meet her, but cause I really need money, but she didn't come to. And finally, his friend come to.
Friend?
Yeah, Anna was coming to me and give me some some money, and I don't know anymore. I leave, so it's finished, right? 'Cause I don't have anything about my ex guy. I don't know with anything. I don't have relationship anymore. I have anything with her. Okay, don't blame me again. I'm
How is it, Ra?
We better look for more detailed information, sir.
Why, Ra? He was the penalty was to Maya?
So that's why we're looking for more information. So don't make wrong decision.
You're right, Ra.
I think we have to ask Anna.
Anna again?
Yes, sir. Ethan said to call Maya, but he also happened to meet Anna.
So what wrong with my uncle?
Huh? You don't know this?
Yes, uncle. What's going on?
Nice diaries.
Huh? It's impossible, uncle. Eh, but it's been more than a week that I.
Uncle called you because Uncle want to ask to you. It is true. A week ago you contact Maya.
Yes, uncle. But at that time I did not come.
Huh? Maya didn't come?
Yeah.
Did you see anything? Well, everything for Maya?
I did not see anything, but I met Anna. She having business in that area, and I asked about Maya. He said she didn't know.
Anna? Oh yeah. Do you remember what Anna wearing?
Well, if I'm not mistaken, her wearing a brown jacket with a hood like that. Why is that, uncle?
Huh. It's okay, Riz. I just curious. Maybe you can go home now. Thank you, Riz. Thank you for information.
Sir, that was...
Yes, that was Haris. I looked for information from Haris. He said he didn't meet Maya, but he instead met Anna. I suspect something, right?
What's wrong, sir?
I found three similarities from Dr. Sabrina, Ethan, and Haris.
Sameness?
Yes, I have information in my phone. Look this. First, Dr. Sabrina saw someone waiting for Maya wearing a black coat and a hood. Second, Ethan said he actually met Anna and not Maya. Third, Harry said he coincidentally met Anna who was wearing a brown jacket with a hood.
What if we know as Elisa and Ethan what Anna was wearing when she met them?
Yes, let me ask Alicia and you ask Ethan.
So what do you want to ask? I told you before, I had nothing to do with my dad. I think well.
One more question, please.
So what?
At the time you said you met Anna, do you remember what Anna was wearing?
Uh, if I'm not mistaken, she was wearing a brown jacket with a hood.
Okay.
Never mind. I have something to do. I just happen to be passing here, so I can answer your unimportant question.
Assalamualaikum.
What's going on, sir? How are the development in the virtual case?
I still investigation. I want to ask you if you still remember what Anna wearing at the time.
Oh, at the time, Anna was wearing a black jacket, sir. It had a hood too.
Black?
Yes, sir.
Okay, thank you. Well, goodbye.
Yes, sir. Careful, sir.
Assalamualaikum. Hey, Auntie. How are you, darling? I'm fine. How are you, Auntie and Uncle? We're fine, okay. What's wrong, Auntie? Nothing wrong. Auntie just wanted to visit you. Have you eaten? Not yet, Auntie. Well, let's eat together. Auntie brewed food for you. Okay, Auntie.
I found out.
You?
Darling, what's wrong? What's wrong with you?
Come here to the boys, okay?
Darling, what's wrong? Why are you like this?
Tingin, okay? I'll go pick you up.
Why are you killed your friend?
Because it's a boy.
What thing you say? Important.
I killed Maya because
Give me money.
I don't have money.
Give me money.
No, I don't have no money.
I tried to leave that bastard one, but you just keep holding him back.
But I still love him, nah. I can leave him. You better not ignore me and Ethan, okay?
Assalamualaikum, Maya.
Mom, Dad.
Anna.
Do I talk to you about this you dance later, Anna?
Yes, sis, of course. Oh yes, tonight.
Hey guys, what are you talking about?
Just
Darling, Mom brought this for you.
Let's go to the
Wow,
canteen.
thank you, Mom. Oh yeah, come on. Anna, come on too.
No need. I have things to do, you guys. Go ahead.
I don't like them.
I need money now.
No, Raiden, I don't have money. Go away.
Give me money, nah. Give me money.
I don't have.
Fuck you, bitch.
What's wrong, Mike? I'll go home now. Okay, Mr. Mike.
Are you sure I accompany you, Mike? No need, nah. I can do it myself. I'm going straight home anyway. Okay, be careful, Mike.
You're due to. Congratulations. Your offering is over, and mine is over. Maybe I'm jealous of you. I'm really jealous. You have a harmony family, and you have a Haris who always pays attention to you. Even though I like Haris but I also feel sorry for you, who has a disease and has a jerk boyfriend. But my jealous is bigger, Maya. I was jealous for her life, and I also feel sorry for her sick person.
Kamu main sendiri.
Kalau ngacak kemek. Saya sampai nak macam apa dah tu. Ya dah.
Iya, kalah sih. Dia nemu.
Assalamualaikum, Maya.
Yuk.
Nah, ieu sia ieu nyaho.
Lelit. Ih, boleh loh. Lelit go. Tuh. Abi kisah nih Mas, dia mau. Because ini atau awas ya.
Baik. Buat Tuti, leles. Tahium. Ji 2. Teh, geus kape